What is up, you guys? Welcome back, Riding with Sager. Jonathan Sager. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Appreciate y'all tuning in. So hopefully the background noises aren't too bad. I'm not at my house right now. Been doing a little running around and just got done getting a haircut. So shout out to Southern Man Barbershop. So if you're in the Southern Alabama area, go to see them. They're awesome people, and they do real well. So, but anyway, sorry, I saw something. I owe you guys a audio clip of the Rinehart 4.5-inch exhaust. So that's what I figured, you know what, where can I shoot this while I'm running around? So I pulled into Harley's parking lot, so I'm out back of Harley right now. So I'm gonna set you guys back here behind the exhaust, prop you up against my helmet here, and here we go. So that is the Rinehart 4.5-inch exhaust. I forget the exact model number of those pipes, but I believe they're like DPX or something like that. I'll have to look it up again. There's only two pipes that Rinehart has. That is a 4.5-inch exhaust. Let me cut that. I don't know if I'm yelling over the exhaust or if the exhaust is fighting me, but yeah. So that's how those sound. And what I'll even do for you guys is, so previous to having these, y'all know I ran Vance and Hines. So I'll see if I can't set up a side-by-side kind of comparison with that. So that is Rinehart 4.5-inch exhaust. So there's the audio clip, and I appreciate y'all tuning in. And once I'm done messing with this, I'll make sure it's posted up. That could be later today or it could be tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna keep running around and make sure when y'all are out riding around, keep the shiny side up and the rubber side down. Y'all be safe. So without further ado, we don't need that on.